Today's day sponsor on Life-Changing 91.7 FM is Restoration Encounter Ministries.
Greetings, beloved people of Corpus Christi, Texas. This is Pastor Daniel Mensah of Restoration Encounter Ministry. As part of our end of year's activities in this Christmas 2023, Restoration Encounter Ministry will go into the community and share the gospel of Jesus Christ. Additionally, we will demonstrate the love of God by serving free dinner to everyone that comes to the Metro Ministry cafeteria. We will offer prayer and counsel to those who need them. Wednesday, December 20th, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m., 1919 Leper Street. Furthermore, our Christmas convention starts from December 22nd to 25th. The theme is In Christ Our Hope is Found. Beloved, surely in Christ your hope can be brightened and restored. For any questions, please call 361-500-1983. Restoration Encounter Ministry. In Jesus, the dry bones live.
Once again, we want to thank Restoration Encounter Ministries for being today's day sponsor on Life-Changing 91.7 FM, KB&J.